Hey guys, how you doing? Vlog part 13 here with Vinny Flanagan, and I got a truck. This is my friend's dad's truck over here.
23.
And yo, my friend's in the crib right now, boy.
Boy in the crib.
And I got a car over there. This is his dad's truck, right here. That's his grandpa and grandma's truck, and his mom's car, and a car.
He had no shirt on.
And guess what? I put a video of that too.
What's up? There's my friend.
There's my friend too. There's my friend, boy. Landon, look. Landon, look. Landon, look. Landon, look. Yo, here I am, though. Landon, look.
I just let them all when I go and fly.
Don't say the cuss words on YouTube.
Are you really gonna post it?
Yeah. Yo, what up? It's me, your home dog in the crib. Yo, bruh, you see Landon in the crib? Go check the wet mail, Landon. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Didn't just squish him. Squish. Real good squish. Landon, look.
Yeah, people.
Yes.
Just him sucking on it.
Squish. 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 Landon, look.
I just paid bills for money.
Squish. Squish.
Okay,
Squish.
watch it.
Okay, guys, watch the video.
No,
Oh, yeah, true. And I'm up in here. I know y'all don't see me mostly. I'm just walking. I'm doing a phone. I'm just.
Here's a car. He saw us. He had no shirt on.
Oh my God.
I put a video of that too. What's up? There's my friend.
Am I really in there? I'm in there.
Why we in the truck? He's a veteran. That Clemson dough.
That Clemson dough.
I be telling us how hot nigga.
Ah!
Let them all when I go and fly. Don't say the cuss words on
Y'all don't see nothing. And guys, that's his video that he recorded. Stop touching my butt, Landon. No, 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 no. No! No, not in the video, Landon. I am putting this on YouTube. I am putting this on YouTube. Ah! I'm just playing with him, guys. Where is he, guys?
Right here.
Where? Okay, I'm sorry, Landon. I'm sorry.
I want to show you something.
What? Not on me.
Here's a car.
Who's our car? What? I want to put me in there.
It's like 6 feet.
You did that to me!
You're really gonna put this on YouTube?
Yep. And I was like this, Landon. I was like, squish, squish that little head. Stop!
Are you really?
Landon, car. No, I'm recording it. This is a car, guys. This is a car. You're like, I'm gonna picture you. Guys, I don't have to take a picture because I'm recording this shit. And yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
I got it. I didn't get it.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Landon, look. Doinga. Squish the little head.
Okay.
Okay, peck.
Stop. Let me do something. Hold on.
Bro, what are you doing? I didn't take a picture of me.
No, I did not.
Did you take a
Cop crime on the scene. Please.
And guys, I'm just walking right now. And yeah, just walking around, guys. I'm just
waiting.
Shut up! I'm deleting that part. I'm going in the road. Guys, I'm checking my mail right now, guys.
Snap my mail! Get off my mail!
Ow, stop. No, I'm just pretending for the video. For the video. Stop, real man. Stop. Just for the video. For the video. For the video.
Do it for the video. Do it for the vibe. Yeah. Do it for the vibe.
There's nothing in
Do it
here,
for the
guys.
vibe.
There's nothing in
Do it
there.
for the vibe. Do it for the vibe.
Do it again.
Do it for the
In the middle. In the middle of the road.
Do it for the vibe. Do it for the vibe. Do it for the vibe.
And yes, I'm putting that on YouTube. Guys, look at his dad's truck right now. I'm gonna walk up to it. See him walking right. I'm gonna walk right here. Walking over to the.
Let's try and kill those things with our phones.
Okay. Alright. This is his dad's truck, guys. This is his mom. This is his grandma's and grandpa's truck. A red truck. And this is his mom's car. Hold on! His mom's car. That's his grandma's Mustang. There's another Mustang in the garage.
Got it!
What? You actually squished it.
Yeah, I was like this. Look, I went like this.
What?
Come on, let's do it.
Let's go in my front yard.
Yeah.
Guys, I'll show you my my grandparents' front yard.
Oh, Benny, watch this.
And Landon, watch. Who is that? Guys, hold on. I'm sneaking up right now. This is his puppies. This is his puppies, guys. Hold on, I'm sliding. Hold on. What was that? Landon. Yes. And guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.